I want you to tell me where babies come from.
I'm sorry?
Don't apologize, just tell me where babies come from.
Right now?
Preferably, because if something bad happens to you,
Of course.
I may never know.
Okay, well,
I'll
first
be
of all,
45 years old and have no idea how kids just keep popping up in the world.
I doubt that'll be the case.
I'll be walking
Listen,
around like, where are all these kids coming from?
No, you
Some
won't.
kid will catch me staring at him and think to himself, that old man's freaking me out.
Well, then
But in
don't
reality,
stare.
I'll just be sitting there thinking, where in the hell did he come from?
When you're 45 years old,
I'll have my own kids.
Exactly.
And I'll have
And
to
you'll-
ask
and
them,
you'll-
where did y'all come from?
you won't have to ask.
And they'll be like, we were hoping you could tell us.
Listen to what you're
And
saying.
I'll be like, I have no fucking idea.
You'll have an idea.
I'm gonna have to wait till one of my son's friends' dads explains
No,
it.
you won't.
I'll
Trust
go
me.
over to his house like, hey, my son said you were planning on telling Robbie where babies come from.
Okay, that would be weird.
He'll be
So
like, yeah, I was gonna tell him this evening.
I honestly hope this
And
isn't.
I'm gonna have to be like, do you mind if I sit in on that conversation? Because I have no fucking idea.